This is the video on objectivity. In the course of Humanity, Free Speech in the Digital Era. My name is Oscar Pérez de la Fuente. The first idea is what is objectivity in journalism. Objectivity in journalism is related with reporting and interpreting events, being truthful, unbiased, fair, and balanced. This could be different depending on the situation. There are different approaches to this topic. For example, being non-partisan between advocating positions in controversial issues, or what means value neutrality, stating facts without making value judgment or personal opinions. It's important not distorting facts and maintaining accurate understanding. It's important also providing fair representation of opposing partisan viewpoints in coverage. This is usually understood as impartiality, and try to avoid bias toward particular political positions or interests, and making editorial positions clear when complete neutrality is not achievable. This is related with transparency. Neutrality implies stating facts without making value judgment or imposing personal opinions. It's important not distorting facts and understanding through careful verification processes. There is required some professional detachment, maintaining distance from sources and subjects to preserve objectivity. And it should be followed established journalistic practice to minimize bias and error. This has been the video on objectivity from the course of Humanity, Free Speech in the Digital Era in University Carlos III, University of Madrid. My name is Oscar Pérez de la Fuente.